This is the electric circuit's Omoshiro-Practice kit, or the EC kit. It comes with 5 light bulbs, each with 4 terminals, 2 batteries, wires with clips, extra light bulbs, and practice cards. Check out its QR code using your phone and access all digital learning materials and lessons on electric circuits. You can translate it to Japanese. Let's practice constructing series and parallel circuits. Use the cards to randomly select a circuit to construct. That was fun. Let's try it once again. This time, we need to answer the challenge question. What do you think is the answer? Let's find out. Let's try the difficult round. Now it's your time to construct. Good luck!